Beautiful Dravit gray BMW X5M competition that came in for ceramic coating. So the paint correction was done first, then ceramic coating on every part of the exterior, all of the paint, the emblems, the grille. We always put ceramic coating on the windshield as well. And this client also opted for the wheels and caliper package. So we remove the wheels, clean everything thoroughly inside and out, ceramic coat everything, as well as the calipers. Excuse me, helicopters that keep going by. I believe they're looking for something or someone. Yeah, so the car is now ceramic coated. You can see the amazing gloss on the paint, after the paint correction and the coating. Absolutely beautiful. Has a beautiful gold metallic in the paint. I mean, look at that. And then it also looks a little bit greenish. And as always, when we do a ceramic coating, we do it on the windshield as well. And in the case of a car with a lot of roof glass, I'd do that glass as well, because had the roof been solid metal, then it would have been coated anyway. The rest of the glass would be considered to be a separate package. If somebody wants all of the glass done, then you'll get charged for having all of that done. But otherwise, I mean, this car is just, it looks amazing. The owner told me he always has done black in the past and he just wanted something different, and I think he absolutely made the right choice. Amazing looking car with the black wheels and the red calipers. I think this looks beautiful. I mean, look at the reflection, look at the gloss on the paint. Absolutely beautiful.